Hang on, Colquitt County. Get ready. It's time again this week. Sit back, take off your shoes, because the great outdoors of Colquitt County starts right here and right now. Smile for the camera. Hey, wanted to take a minute and we're going to give y'all an aerial shot of the farm so you can see what I've got to work with. Doing this for a couple of reasons. One, so I'll have a baseline, and two, 3-4 months down the road it might be interesting to do another one of these, put it on the channel and let you see how things are progressing and how things are moving along. I ended up with this farm because it was my dad's dream to always own a farm, because he wanted a place to hunt. From the time I was big enough, he had a pole in my hand and we went fishing everywhere. We went to St. John's River, Lake Talcott, Little River, Lake Ammonia, you name it. I've been there, and I was fortunate enough to be able to go with my dad. But the one thing we really didn't get to do that we wanted to do was hunt. Now, we were lucky enough to get invited on some bird shoots and quail shoots that we love to do. And ironically, this field I'm sitting in right now, shooting this video to bring to you, as a young man, I dove hunted in this field with my dad. Then he ended up buying a farm in later years. This farm was owned by a family member. They decided they wanted to sell it because they were getting up in age, and my dad had saved money all of his life, and he jumped all over it and bought it. And when he bought it, we walked over this thing, and he told me all the things he wanted to do to it to be able to hunt on, so we would have a place to hunt. Because if I remember correctly, my dad only got a chance to deer hunt 3 times in his life, and he always wanted his own spot. And I ended up losing Daddy, but what he wanted to do with this place was also kind of my dream too. So I'm trying to make that happen now, and I hope you'll stick around and watch us and see how this thing develops and I turn it into a nice little hunting spot. So sit back, watch the aerial footage, and tune in with us again. And hey, hit that like and subscribe for us. Like I told you before, it don't work unless you help us out, and I appreciate it. And I hope that you get to spend some time in your great outdoors, because till I see you again, I'm going to be right here in the great outdoors of Colquitt County.